So it's time to get this and that and that all in there. So this is the rear engine mount we've gone for. It's the ones you can get off eBay. Now what this is to give us more clearance for the turbo downpipe on the back of there. Lovely looking bit of kit. And we've got a lightened flywheel from Gas and Gears, and our friendly 16mm box, which we've seen before, going on to there.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh. Whatever we would do, we do it just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to.
So unfortunately I've had to drill the mount on here. Obviously this is a Mark III, Mark II mount, but that takes into account it's got a Mark III engine mount. Obviously this is a Mark II engine mount with 3 holes in it, and a Mark III's only got 1 hole. So all we've done is elongate the hole there, bolt that down, drill another one, she's good. Right, so as we've got the block naked, we want to protect all this, so what we can do, get some ACF 50 on it, give it a good dashing of that. Don't be lenient with it.
I won't get enough sleep. I won't You shouldn't be with someone like me. Sometimes I think they're right, honey. Sorry for the tears in your eyes. Hey, love again.
It's always good when you keep hoards of bolts like there. Certain things, but they come in handy. But what I'm after is drive shaft bolts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's all we need. Good bolts. I mean, these are good quality bolts. 10.9 ones. If they're not knackered when you take them off, keep them. Like I say, we're in a bit of a move at the moment. We have that one, that one, that one, all those behind there, those in there, those in there. They're all full of Mark II spares. My poor girl's getting a bit dusty, but on to bigger and better things. The head for the rally car, I still need to finish porting those bits. Obviously this needs vapor blasting, the turbo's hiding under there, and the exhaust manifold. But what we're doing is getting the engine and gearbox in the car, like so, so that can then go on a trailer, so I can bring the trailer down, get the car on the trailer, then that is loaded up, ready to rock and roll. Then it can disappear out the way for a bit, and then we can get the move done, move down to a new place, and then we can crack on with building the rest of it.
Give me just one more try. Used to hide myself away in the night, looking for trouble.
So there we are, that is the engine bolted in. Rear mounts on, they're on, all drive shafts all bolted up. Front mounts on, we all sat there happy and looking pretty.
Looking for trouble and fights, but you found me. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I could be someone to rely on, 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 someone to rely on. Someone to rely on, someone to rely on, someone to rely on. Hey baby, I'm calling. Hey baby, just please pick up the phone. Hey baby, I'm calling. I'm drunk, can you please pick up? No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I could be someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up.
So this is what I've got to contend with on the back. Here is the rust there, there's some filler in that mess there. You know, bottom of that corner wing. This whole panel's coming off, obviously rotten through there. Some nuts in there. And this is the worst corner, so all the bottom of that is gone. You know, that's gone. Exhaust is cobweb been hanging on, and then it's also done that there. So, you know, whole panel off, repair some of that. A lot of work, but, you know, sit rep. It's raining, typical. But anyway, the car is on the trailer, fits on there lovely. So, you know, that's on there, that's going to be strapped down. I'll get that tucked out the way somewhere at a friend's place, and then that is out the way. Once we get our move done, we can pull it out and crack on with that big rusty mess at the back. It's good height actually on that trailer to start doing work on it, so I might leave it on there while I'm doing that rust. But yeah, the engine's in, well after getting in yesterday, nice sunny day yesterday, you know, bolted it all in, she's all good to go. So yeah, once it stops raining, I'll get that done, and then I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. If you can, click subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it helps me out with subscriptions. You know, the more the merrier. You know, we're tickling 9,000 subscribers, and we started off doing the restoration on that all those years ago. Look at us now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.